Alright, y'all. So right now, I'm on my way to school. I just woke up because I work overnights. I get off at 8 a.m. and it's 4:30, 5, about to be 5, and school starts at 5:30. So I'm on my way to school right now, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go get me something to eat real quick. Then I'm gonna be there. Yo, baby, we in this bitch. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna have more videos today. I'm gonna record a good day. I'm gonna post this video. Gonna have all week on that bitch. So yeah, what you gonna call it? Let's get to this shit, nigga. Let's see how this shit goes, man. Fuck, nigga, we in that bitch, nigga. Art Labs, Welding School, bitch. Y'all wanna see what Welding School looking like with that bitch? How it is? Specifically this one, cause I don't know what the other one is on. But my school, we about to see. Alright, y'all. Take care. We in this bitch, man. What you mean? I'll heat it up without the button. Yep. And then whenever it's blowing, you push it.
Put on an act like that from doing it. Put it to the mother done talking. I ain't had shit back then on a lot more. Alright, here we go.
There you go.
This used to do in the top man. Good Joe did something and like that. I'm in the step up back in the top 4, get up and try.
Cause I know that they ain't on nothing, bitch. They betrayed the ones that roll for them. Fuck them all cause I don't know nothing. Yeah.
Come on, bitch.
Yeah. That way. What is you talking about? Ooh, I'm here now. Well, this the parking lot, but I forgot my thick gloves, so I gotta come get them bitches from the truck. But you look good shot. But yeah, so I'm gonna get them hoes real quick, and then I'm gonna go back inside.
Yo, this whole line in the back.
You got the connect.
He's the daddy, got the shit, you get a discount.
Yeah.
I get a discount regardless.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so look. All right, see, look.
5 finger this
All right. Open it up. You got the little groove in there, right? That's where the rod goes. You place the rod in there. All right. You can spin it. Now, this is just like a stick rod. If your stinger, if your stick rod is hanging, is a lot sticking out. No, not a stick. MIG and flux. If you have too much wire sticking out, you long arcing. You don't want a long arc. So just like with this gouging, I don't want to be here. I want to be about like right here. Okay, the stick out. You want to be like right there. Okay. Again, if you have a long stick out, the air, when I blow the air, it's not gonna reach way down there to like the gouging point. So you want to be like about right here is good. Okay. Now I'm right-handed. By me being right-handed, I stand on the right side of the table, right? And when I stand on the right side of the table, this part right here is facing this way. And once I start gouging, I'm gouging like just like this. And it's blowing this way, blowing everything out. Okay? Blowing everything out. When you do gouge, you want to gouge a little bit at a time. You don't want to just get like deep down in there and just start cutting. You want to do it a little bit at a time, okay? because you're looking for something. What you're looking for trash, looking for dirt. But in this instance, I don't want y'all looking for anything. I just want y'all to know how to guide. Okay? So, I'll show you that. So far, any questions, concerns, any comments? All right. I'm gonna take it away like cow gun. Take it away. Ready, see? Right, ready? Right? Hold on. What's up? I'm ready. When they act like that means the rod is not inside the groove. You gotta always make sure the rod is inside the groove.
Rod is not inside the groove.
Y'all see right there? It's called slag. In the book, they call it grout. This is slag. Alright? I just took that cap off. I took the cap off. So if y'all pull like a bad whale, stuff to come out here, and you gouge it out, and put it back. Erase the whale and put it back. I just erased that cap. That cap gone. The cap gone. Gone bye-bye. I made it disappear. See, it was gone. Gone bye-bye. You just skin it. Don't skin it. If you skin it, you ain't gonna be able to gouge it. You gotta skin it. Okay? Like skip a little bit up the top and work your way down. Like a fade. Like a fade. That's it. Any questions? Concerns? Comment? Alright. Wait, I have it. Once that stone stops, okay, it's like you guys away the root, okay? We raise already calculate the scalp. So once you guys that root away, like all the way up goes, okay? Because raise, we pretty much remove the scalp, the fillers, and the hot pad. And then you took away the root, so ain't nothing gone. There's nothing else left. Now, because it's more real over here than over here. Okay? So once everybody has done at least one time, Then I'm gonna cut y'all loose, like for this out in cut. Alright? Omar.
How we do this shit here at art class, man.
Yeah. Me and this bitch. We styling.
Hold that on recording.
Damn. Oh, I thought I said 44. I'm about to say, God damn. Okay? Yeah.
What you doing, Steve? Huh? What you say?
Homies.
What?
I'm in the cup with the homies.
Yeah. Art lad.
You gotta love it.
What it is? What it is?
Well, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. You
Yeah.
gotta love it.
It's overlapping, okay? It's overlapping. All right, so that's what I'm doing. I'm overlapping. I'm overlapping. If you have to do one side at a time, then it's totally fine. Then I'm gonna do the opposite side. Okay? You want to do the opposite side because how heat works. If you tack the same side, the side that don't have no weld, it'll fold on. Okay, it'll open. So I'm gonna tack the opposite side so the heat can spread. Okay, just yeah. There you go. Right here. The small tack. Voila, magic. You got 4 corners, okay? You got 4 corners. You got 4 sides of it. You got 4 corners. 4 sides. See? Got it. You gotta fill up the block. This is 1 L. That's 1 L. Then you got 2 L. Like that. Vertical. Then you got over here. Y'all gonna use the same block for all 4 positions. Alright? Remember, y'all just doing the cap. This is just the cap. Ain't no open roots or nothing. This is just the cap. Alright? Any questions about the prepping of the mill scale, grinding the mill scale, or the tack.
So when you grind it, you grind out with like the top here?
Yeah, the mill scale. Yeah. And look, y'all don't have to make it. Just doing it. That's how you should do it. Remember that. Alright, let me change my gloves. I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna stack these beams. Rock and roll. Alright, y'all ready?
All right, ready.
Now, I do C's or circles, okay? Notice how I'm getting wall to wall.